Hi guys, Jalisa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go routine, well, my updated wash and go routine with you guys. I recently tried out some new products and I really like the way that they worked on my hair, because a lot of times when I do wash and goes, I have like that first day hair, and that's okay if I'm trying to, like, you know, prolong a style. But a lot of times I like to have that volume on the first day as well as that definition. So the products that I'm going to be using today for my wash and go is actually the Do We Want Easy Texture Tamer. This is a leave-in conditioner, and also it acts as a heat protectant. So if you are looking for a product to use on your hair if you want to blow dry it, this is a really good product for that, because it works against that frizz, protects your hair from heat tools, as well as hydrates. So I really like this conditioner. I've used it before when I got ready to blow dry my hair, and it works really well. The next product that I'm going to be using is actually an oil. So I kind of did a lock method on my hair when I did the wash and go, except I switched the O and the C. I used my cream first, and then I locked in the moisture with an oil. So the oil that I used, if I can find it. Okay guys, the other product that I use is actually the oil. This one is from Curly Bell. This is my third time using this oil. I really like it because it has castor oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, and it's really not that thick. I know if you've used castor oil before, then you know castor oil is really thick, but not coconut oil, but jojoba oil is one of my favorite oils to use. So you can use this as a hot oil treatment, a pre-poo, or you can use it daily as like a shine enhancer. And like I said, it's a really light oil, and I use this on top of the leave-in conditioner. The next product that I use is actually the styler, and it is the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I actually use the one with the blue top. This I've used a number of times. I've just never filmed a video on it. If you guys go back on my channel a little bit, you'll see that I use the other Wetline Extreme Gel. I really like that gel, but for some reason I like this one a little bit more because it gives a little bit more hold. So those are the three products I'm going to be using today to do this wash and go. And just so you guys know, I didn't put it on camera, but my hair is not cut like this. My hair is actually pinned back in the front. That's how I'm able to get like my curly bangs going on. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this style, this cute wash and go, I am loving it. Just keep on watching this video. Alright guys, so I am starting off with my leave-in conditioner. I do like to do my hair on pretty soaking wet hair because I feel like I get the best wash and goes when I style on really wet hair. So I do have a spray bottle on hand. This is my fine mist spray bottle, and it lets out a continuous spray of water, so it's perfect for this. After I use my leave-in, I go ahead and put some oil on my hair to lock all of that moisture in, and then I take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and kind of work through gently, starting at the bottom of my hair and working my way on up to detangle. After my hair is completely detangled, I go ahead and follow up with my styler. And like I said, I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel. This is the one with the blue cap. So I'm being pretty generous with this gel. Wet my hair is needed as I'm working through. I always find that my product gets through my hair a lot easier when it's really wet. And then I'm taking my brush back through to make sure all of those tangles are out. If you have already detangled in the shower, that's perfect. But I personally had to go back through with my brush to make sure all those tangles were out. So as you can see, my hair is pretty saturated with that gel, and my hair is getting super defined. It's super shiny, really soft, and I'm just working through. I'm going to repeat those same steps. Wetting my hair, of course, applying my leave-in, then my oil, and then applying that gel. So I'm going to go ahead and work through the rest of my hair following those same steps. So guys, I really don't have a particular way on how I am applying my gel. I'm really just raking it through my hair and really being very generous with it. In some of the section, you'll see that I am taking curls and kind of twirling them on my finger. And it's those sections where I feel I need to do a little bit more work to make the curls pop. I also will go ahead and say right now, I did recently trim my hair, and that did all the difference in the world with my curls, because I told you guys in a previous video that these brown ends have got to go. They are basically dead and hanging on for dear life. So I recently trimmed my hair and my curls just shrunk up, and they did their thing. And my wash and go was really popping. Like, I usually have little ends straggling, and you can probably see a few that are just straggling, hanging on, and it's time to cut them, but I'm just gradually doing it. And I will say my hair on the top hangs over a lot because the hair in the top middle of my head is looser than the curls around the side. So I'm making it work. I usually cut my hair into like a shape, but I really want to grow my hair out and see how long I can grow it out. So once these brown ends are gone, I'm not going to be cutting anymore unless I'm trimming, just so my curls can really pop. All right, guys, so the product is all over my head, and right now I could air dry, but just to speed up this process a little bit, I did take my blow dryer with my diffuser attachment, and I used that to just speed up that drying process a little bit. And I do have the heat setting on medium, and I did use the cool shot on the blow dryer throughout my head as well as needed. Once my hair is completely dry, I go ahead and switch out that attachment with the, I don't even know what this attachment is called, but it's this smaller one where the air is more controlled to come out of the blow dryer. And I'm using that to try to get at my roots a little bit to stretch it out. You can do this if you want, but if you're trying to avoid using heat, there are a number of ways you can stretch your hair. You can band your hair, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just using this blow dryer attachment. So that's about it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, you like how my wash and go turned out, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments how you like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.